In this video, I will show you how to change the language of the text in PowerPoint, and I will show you how to change the display language of the PowerPoint program. My PowerPoint is currently set to English, but I want to make a Dutch presentation in Dutch PowerPoint. To do this, you want to go to File in the ribbon, and here you want to click on Options. You will be presented with a menu, and here you want to go to Language. In the first box, you can change the display language of the program. That means the names of the tabs and the screens. You do this by downloading the language by clicking on the link underneath the box. And once you've downloaded it, it should be on this screen. You then click on the language and click on Set as Preferred. And if you're not using the preferred language, it will take the language that is the highest in this list. To change the order of the other languages, you click on one and then you use the Move Up and the Move Down buttons. The second box is about the language you're using when you're typing in PowerPoint. Here, you can download additional keywords as well by using the link underneath the box. To prefer a language, you click on it and then you click on Prefer. If you're not using the preferred language, it will automatically change to the highest language in this list. You will have to restart the PowerPoint program in order for the changes to apply. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.